Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our fresh milk product. Our company, Pure Dairy, prides itself on providing high quality, fresh milk sourced from local farm. Our product is not only rich in nutrition but also free from artificial additive.
Good evening, Alice. Thank you for the presentation. Can you tell us more about the shelf life of your milk?
Certainly, Aryo, our fresh milk has a shelf life of up to 10 days when stored at the recommended temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. We ensure this through our advanced pasteurization process that maintain the milk freshness and nutrition value.
That sounds more reasonable. We will also need a reliable delivery schedule to ensure we always have stock.
I understand your concern, Novita. Our current pricing is $2 per liter. However, we are open to discussing bulk order discount. For order over 500 liters per month, we can offer a 10% discount.
A 10% discount is a good start, but given the volume we intend to purchase, we were hoping for a bit more flexibility. Is there room for negotiation if we commit to a long-term contract?
We value long-term partnership. Aryo, if you commit to a 12-month contract with a minimum purchase of 700 liters per month, we can offer a 15% discount. Additionally, we can provide promotional support to help marketing the product.
That sounds good, Rehan. However, we are concerned about the pricing. We need to ensure that it is competitive enough for our market.
Absolutely, Novita. We guarantee delivers twice a week, ensuring you always have fresh stock. We can also adjust the delivery schedule based on your specific need.
Thank you, Alice. It sounds promising. We will review the trip with our team and get back to you soon.
Thank you, Aryo and Novita. We look forward to a successful partnership.